Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a common issue many Civil 3D users face, especially when exporting curve reports from alignments. If you've ever exported a curve report and noticed that the chainage or stationing is showing in the wrong format, like 3 plus 00 instead of the correct 0 plus 300, then this video is for you. This is a small detail that can cause a lot of confusion, especially when you're working on road projects where accuracy matters. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix this problem, both inside Civil 3D and using Excel if you've already exported your report. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this quick fix will save you time and help keep your documentation clean and professional. So, stick around till the end of the video and let's get this sorted out once and for all. Let's jump in.